Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm in this new game called, I think it's a train game based in Britain, and I'm going to be filming freight and passenger trains here for you guys. Now we're only going to be seeing one freight train because which is a class 325. There'll be a 4-car one. Okay, because the locomotive ones, like the actual locomotives like class 66, etc., it'll take too long for them to drive here. Or just basically go here. So yeah, enjoy. About to pass, we have the class 325 mail train at 100 miles an hour, aka its top speed. I know this is gonna lag. Okay, that didn't lag. Okay. If you're wondering, the game is called Hestercombe and Backwell Railway. Arriving, we have a class 153. This train is one carriage long, or car. All coaches, or coach. Now departing, we have the class 153. Not too sure where this train's going. And also, if we're lucky enough, we might get some express passenger trains, but I highly doubt it. Judging by the sound, we have a express class 143 Pacer. It is an express. That train's either express or not in service. If you're wondering, this game does get a very small player base. The highest number of people I've seen playing this game at a time is like 5, maybe 3. So, yeah, although it is a fun game to play, I do enjoy playing this game. Arriving, we have a class 143 Pacer. Now departing, we have the class 143 Pacer. Arriving, we have a class 142 Pacer. Very small. I think it's just the big platform. Departing, we have the class 142 Pacer. And off it goes. Well, I have some good news, but some bad news as well. The good news is, we're going to be seeing all of the 2 freight trains. And also, the bad news is, the charter train is unable to spawn. So, this video will be called Almost All of the Trains. Well, actually, there's no Game Pass trains to this game. Alright, I'm here at Cannon's Court to film the 2 freight trains. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye, everybody.